Hey friends, and happy Thursday. We are picking up Big Sis. She gets out of school at like 10:55. And I decided today to take them to the Museum of Nature and Science. We've been wanting to see dinosaur bones. So I'm gonna pick her up. We're gonna grab some lunch and we are gonna head to the museum. It's like 30 minutes away, so not ideal leaving like around this time of day. And I don't know, I just get stressed out about coming home in rush hour traffic. So we're gonna the car's coming. So we're gonna head out and we're gonna go have a fun day. Another thing, so growing up JW, I don't know if anybody else heard this, but you know, like obviously they don't believe in evolution, and like the carbon dating on like fossils and all that stuff, I can remember them being like, oh, Satan has skewed the carbon dating dates to make it seem like the earth has been around longer than it actually is. So when we go to the museum, we've only been once since we left the religion, and as the kids get older, I'm actually really excited to learn about all the things that we were told is just a lie. So I'm like, I feel like a rookie and a very uneducated person when it comes to all things evolution and like fossils and stuff. So anyways, we're gonna go get Sis and we are gonna have a great day. Okay, we got Big Sis. We are about to go through McDonald's and get Happy Meals. We're doing a on-the-road lunch because of the fact that we have a little bit of a drive. So that's the plan. We're gonna get some food and then we're gonna go see dinosaurs. Okay, everybody, we made it to the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. We're heading up to the third level right away because we want to go see the dinosaurs. So come along with us today. Okay, we just walked through the like dinosaur exhibit. Does any of JW feel extremely stupid when it comes to the actual like history of Earth and how things happened, since we were taught totally different? Anyways, that was awesome. One day when the kids are in school, I will learn with them all of this stuff. All right, now we're gonna wander and see what else we can find. Okay, now we're going into their discovery zone. It's like a hands-on, there's like water and stuff kids can do and play around for a while. So we're gonna go in there. They didn't really like the like animal exhibits. They were kind of bored with that. I think they'd rather a zoo with real animals, but hey, it's all right. Okay, so this little like play area, it's called the Discovery Zone, and it's for second grader like age and below. They also have like a little area for little tiny like kiddos, like 3 and under or 4 and under. It's called like the tree house. This is really cool. There's a lot of hands-on stuff, so kids can be crazy and do whatever they want. Okay, this little area is really nice. It's getting chaotic. More and more kids are coming in, but they're having fun. We're going to space, everybody. Here we go. Okay, we are now in the space kids play area, and it's all blocked in, so I'm sitting with Giraffe while they play around. I'm getting tired. We have been here about an hour and a half, almost actually, wait no, almost 2 hours. We got here like 11:40 something, so I think we're gonna do space, and Gracie wants to see the gems and like the stones, and then we'll probably go home, so it's been fun. I am still sitting in the same spot, and I shouldn't have sat because now I'm getting very tired. And I feel like it's too late to have coffee because then I won't sleep good, so oh well. We're having a great time. And careful, dude. My husband should be proud of me. Lance, if you're watching this, I know you're gonna watch this. I'm using my mic, so you're welcome. That's all. Okay, we just finished. We are loaded in the car. We are headed back home, and thankfully it's early enough that I think we should avoid rush hour traffic. Did you guys have fun at the museum? Yeah, we had a good time. It was a nice little afternoon outing. It is rainy out right now, and we're going to go home and relax, and that's going to be our day. So thanks for coming along to the museum with us, and I'll see you guys next time.